A Spidey? Are you sure? I wonder what that could be. It's a toy? What kind of toy? What is it? What is it? Do you know what that is? Aubrey, that is a robot. Aubrey, that's a robot. What is it? Open. Aubrey, it's a robot.
You say thank you, Aunt Sherry and Uncle Z. Look at the phone.
Say thank you. Aunt Sherry and Uncle Z.
Is this a robot?
Oh my gosh, it's a green robot.
Wow, what do they got going on there?
Yes. Boogies thinks he's gonna like the robot. Do you want to open this one while Daddy's getting that together? Spidey. Is that the bow or is it a Spidey? No. Okay, I'm gonna wear it as a necklace, maybe. Ooh. Robot. 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 This is an exciting video.
Should you stop it?
No. Go ahead, open. You still have the batteries there. Here. Mommy will help it. Yep. You got it. Oh, this is really taped. Good wrap job. Oh. What could it be, Boogies? Oh! Who is that? It's your kitty cat! Look at Bugs. Boogies! Look at Boogies, Aubrey. Boogies in the box. Okay, let's look. Puzzle! That is really neat. And a sticker! Pull the sticker off. Good job. Aubrey, can you practice? Ooh. Here, no, put it on your shirt. It's a sticker. Can you practice being a robot? Can you practice being a robot? Can you be a robot?
Whoa.
Ooh, keep going. Do it again. Can you do it with both hands? Use both hands. This one too. Me, oh, ah, e, oh. The kitties are on a choo-choo train? I think it's a fence. I think it's a fence, sweetie. That's a very cool puzzle. 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, Daddy's gonna show you the robot soon. Wonder what that robot does.
Aubrey.
Robot, ew.